Welcome back to Tech Made Easy. My name once again is Gloria, and today, just as I had promised, I'm going to take you through how to make a presentation using Microsoft Word. So let's using Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's open our PowerPoint. Alright, so today I'm going to do a presentation about growing flowers. So my title, I'm going to put A Joy of Growing Flowers. Alright, so you can make some adjustments. Try to reduce the font. Then here I'm going to put a quick guide. I put my name. Oops, sorry. Alright, now on this new slide, I'm going to put title and content because I want to put the benefits of growing flowers. So here I'm going to say benefits Alright, then to avoid time wasted, I'm going to just put only two benefits, and that is attracts pollinators. The second, enhances Alright, now let's go to the third slide. On my third slide, I want to put let me say this again. So I'm going to put environmental impact. Environmental impact. How has it affected the environment? So flowers provide food and habitat for some organisms. Second, plants help to filter. They filter pollutants and produce oxygen. Alright, I think for that's enough. Then I'm going to make my conclusion slide. I'm going to make it as a section header. Then so here I'm going to write conclusion. Then alright, let me first. Alright, to avoid wasting time, I have finished writing my conclusion as you can see there. Now let's go to some of the formatting features. Let's begin with slide 1. Now, a joy of growing flowers. I'd wish to insert in some pictures. I go to my Google Chrome. Make sure your internet connection is available, and then from there I search for had already searched for sunflower garden photos, and this is what they brought for me. Let's choose any. Guess I'll choose this. Alright, let's type in again garden. And this is what they brought for me. Let me take this. You copy, then after you go back to your PowerPoint here and press Ctrl V. So here is your picture, but you need to, as you can see, our picture has covered our work. So you right click on the picture, then you put send to back. So it's like it's acting as a background of the words. What you can do is to make your words so visible, you try to change maybe the font color. So you make some adjustments so that your work is seen. We'll do the same with slide 2, inserting any picture you want. For the sake of time, I'm going to insert in first pose, then I'll show you when I've completed. Alright, as you can see, I have inserted some pictures even in my second slide. So let's continue to the next. We're going to go on animations. And in animations, transition is when like it takes you to the next page, to the next slide with a visual effect. So with this one, I'm going to give it the shape. So when you give it your transition, you can it will show here that you've given it what a transition. So in case you want to give the same transition to all the slides, you come and click apply to all. So literally all the slides will be like that. We shall see it later when we are doing the slideshow. Alright, now let's go to animations. Remember I told you animation deal with text. You can first highlight this, then maybe you give it let's check out for others. Maybe floating. Then this one you may give it maybe random bars. Then with this you can decide to give the shape something like, okay, let's give it random bars. Then this, let's give it a shape. So we've learned how to insert pictures, we've learned how to use transitions, animations. So now the next thing is you can actually go to You can go to design and maybe change format the background. Then maybe you try maybe gradient. It's your choice. Still, if you want to apply to all, you say apply to all this. You decide what you want. So then after, you go to slideshow, and from slideshow you click on start from beginning. So as you can see, each tab they bring me all. Anyway, there are other features that I would love you to learn. I guess I'll have to make another video of how to use maybe the hyperlink, the arrows. So with this, I hope you've learned something. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.